Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the T3 Live Halftime Report. I am Steve Levay, and it is kind of a dead Monday for the first of the month. You know, the last couple first of the months have been really strong out of the gate and kind of gap and goes. And right now we're looking at a gap and, a flat market now. So, some stocks are acting very strong. Some are just not acting at all. So let's talk about two of the stocks that I made money in today. First one we're going to talk about is Qihoo, QIHU. Okay, and if we look at QIHU, the first thing we knew going into today was the 52-week high might come into play at, 26.35, which is right at this level here. Okay, and that was set back in March, on March 27th. That was the first level that I had an alert on this stock as it gapped up. And what did it do? Let's take a look. Right once when it got through that price, it hasn't looked back since. We had a nice gap up trade here, little bit of a flag build, and then it got through that 26.35. Has not looked back. It's climbing, hugging the 8-period moving average on the 5, looking like it's trying to set up for another big move. What I was hoping was that the stock would set up support right here, like we talked about a 5 FIVE on Friday, but it did support to set up a little bit of base and then popped right from there, and now it looks like it's going to go through 28. So we'll have to see what happens with it. Hopefully it'll come back into this base around 27.5, give us an entry for later on, or it'll set up a bullish flag pattern for us to get back in this afternoon. I would not look to short this stock unless some sort of news came out on it, but I'd stay away from the short side and just be a buyer on pullbacks. The other stock I looked at that I made money in today was FIVE. As you can see, I drew in a little bit of a huge earnings on Friday. Okay, huge move on earnings. Two great setups that I talked about on Twitter. Beautiful base built right here, bounced off of that. We made some money there. And in the afternoon, another beautiful base right here. I was able to make some money in the afternoon on this big move here. Again, a little slower than I had hoped, but it slowly went up. Made some money there. Now today it's selling off. So what do I see? I saw a big move down off the bell right here. Okay, bear flag, which I shorted in this bear flag, and then what I got here, a slow, methodical move down, and look what it's doing now, gang. Sitting right on the lows of the day. So I'm looking for a bounce to get back in on the short side. May or may not get it, but for now, I'm sitting out of it. I'm out of 5 and I'm out of Qihoo. The only thing I'm in right now is a long in Priceline. Stock has been showing extreme relative strength. I'm buying against this support area right here. My stop in Priceline will be about 671. If it breaks, I'm out of it, and I'm done with Priceline for the day because then I think it could make a move lower. But if it holds support in this market, I think it has a chance to test 675 to the highs of the day. So with that, everybody, good luck trading the rest of the day. I will talk to you all on the VTF.